The Nigerian College of Accountancy JOS has expressed its willingness to partner with Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, MAAUN, on areas of mutual cooperation for the benefits of the university. The Director General of the NCA, Dr. Friday Apan, gave the assurance when he paid a courtesy visit to the management of the university on Tuesday, the 1st of November 2022. He said, as the training arm of the Association of National Accountants of Nigeria, ANAN, there is need for the university to collaborate with the college, especially in the area of student certification and capacity building for the academic so as to sustain the brand name of the institution. Dr. Apan noted that when collaboration becomes operational, the university library would have the opportunity of having the latest reading materials and accountancy software for effective teaching and learning. He added that the partnership would promote research publication in addition to infrastructural development in the university. The NCA Director General, who expressed satisfaction with the facilities put in place in the university, said that any institution that gives priority to research and training must collaborate with MAAUN to achieve the desired objective. Dr. Apan explained that the college has so far trained over 40,000 graduates, adding that the college will organize capacity building training programs for staff of the bursary department of the university to expose them to other contemporary areas of accounting. The DG, who spoke at length on the possible areas of collaboration with the college, promised to give admission to graduates of accounting from MAAUN's sister university in Maradi, Niger Republic, to enable them become professional accountants. Earlier in his opening remarks, the president of MAAUN, Professor Dr. Muhammad Israr, assured the NCA management of the university's commitment to partner with the college. He thanked the team for the visit, which he said provided the avenue for discussion on possible areas of partnership between the two institutions. In his remark, the Vice President Administration, Dr. Habib Awais Abubakar, described the visit as an honor to the university and thanked the DG and his team for the singular honor shown to the university. He also appreciated the NACDG for donating accounting books to each of the 35 students offering accountancy in the university, saying the gesture is an indication of commitment by the college to partner with MAAUN. He expressed hope that the partnership, when established, would yield fruitful results for the benefit of the university in particular and students in general. Also speaking, the acting dean School of Social and Management Sciences, Dr. Mahmoud Mukhtar Saeed, said the university is an institution that trains employers and employees. He thanked the founder and chairman governing council of Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, Professor Adamu Abubakar Gozo, for providing an enabling environment for effective teaching and learning in the university. During the visit, the DG NCA presented compendiums of accounting, including the Anan Story, a book written on the history of Anan, to the president of the university, Professor Israr. The Kano State Branch of Association of National Accountants of Nigeria, Bala Dengugua, had also presented 2 copies of a diary and calendar to the MAAUN president, Professor Israr, as part of the activities to commemorate the visit. The NCA Director General and his team were later taken round the university library and School of Social and Management Sciences. Among other top officers that attended the meeting were Dr. Musa Lawal Jibia, Vice President Campus Life, Mr. Dauda Abrazak Kayode, Vice President Finance, and Dr. Musa Uba.